Hey, I'm Casey and I'm going to show you how to trim your sideburns using your Wahl trimmer at home. Okay, the equipment that you'll need is a comb, a spray bottle of water, and your Wahl trimmer. To start, I'm going to use my spray bottle and spray my hair with water and then comb it down. Next, I'm going to use my Wahl trimmer to trim the sideburn at my desired length. I typically go about the level of my eye. You can brush the hair down again to make sure it's the desired length and everything is even. And that's it. That is how you use your Wahl trimmer to even out and trim your sideburns.